So we're working on the Suburban today, and I picked up some lights from Epic Lighting on Amazon. We got the right and left one. It kind of looked like to me like somebody had airbrushed or something, kind of a black tint onto these lenses. So we're gonna change them out. We're gonna see how they work. Alright, for the most part, these are pretty easy. 2 Phillips screws. That looks a whole lot better. So let's get this shit switched over. So there's 2 pins on the back side right here. You can see these 2 pins, they go into those 2 holes right there. And then you got 2 screws. So other than that, so kind of what it's looking like right now and what it used to look like over here, kind of dark. So we'll pretty much do that to this other side, and that'll probably wrap it up. Go get another bulb because that was an orange bulb, but it's already an orange lens. So get one of those. Should be 3156. Alright, so pull that one out, put that one in. Let's open this other box. All right. So this is what the new lenses look like. I think it looks pretty good. Thanks for watching. Catch me on the next video.